friendly welcome. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here today.
This podcast is for you if you want to practice English speaking.
Yes, simple English, real English. English for daily life.
Today's topic is practice English with short conversations.
We will listen, then talk, then listen again.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are okay.
You're learning. You're improving already. Good job.
Before we start, please like this podcast.
And subscribe for more English practice every week.
All right, take a breath, relax. Let's begin.
Short conversations practice. Conversation style 1. Greetings.
Let's start with greetings. Very important.
Yes, we use greetings every day.
Listen first. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Now let's talk about it.
Hi is friendly. How are you means how do you feel?
You can answer with, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Let's practice together. Say it with me. I'm good.
Great job.
Listen again.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you? Conversation style 2. Talking about morning.
Now let's talk about morning.
Morning English is very useful.
Listen first. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Simple sentence. Very useful.
You can change the time. 6, 7, 8.
Let's practice. Say it slowly. I wake up at...
Good. Add your time.
Now another sentence. What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth.
I drink water.
I eat breakfast.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
That sounds healthy.
Listen again.
What do you do in the morning?
I eat breakfast.
Conversation style 3. Food and drink. Now let's talk about food. Everyone loves food.
Yes, food English is fun.
Listen first. What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Very simple, very clear.
You can say, I eat eggs. I eat bread. I eat noodles.
Let's practice together. I eat.
Good job.
Now drinks.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink tea.
I drink coffee.
I drink water.
Listen again. What do you drink?
I drink water.
Conversation style 4. Work and study. Now let's talk about work and study.
This is very common English.
Listen first. What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a teacher.
I work in an office.
Simple sentence. I am a...
Say it with us. I am a...
Nice. You're doing great.
Listen again.
What do you do?
I am a student. Conversation style 5. Likes and dislikes. Now let's talk about likes.
This helps you share your feelings.
Listen first. What do you like?
I like music.
I like movies.
I like walking.
Very easy sentence. I like.
Let's practice. I like...
Good job.
Now dislikes.
I don't like noise.
I don't like cold weather.
Listen again.
What do you like?
I like music.
Conversation style 7. Daily problems. Now real life problems.
Yes, this is very real English. Listen first.
I'm tired.
I need rest.
I'm busy today.
Simple but powerful sentences.
Repeat with me. I'm tired.
Nice. Listen again. I'm tired. Conversation style 6. Asking for help. Now asking for help. Very important.
Listen first. Can you help me?
Yes, sure.
Very polite English.
You can also say, excuse me.
Repeat together. Can you help me?
Excellent.
Let's talk about hobbies.
Hobbies are things we like to do.
Listen first. What do you do in your free time?
I watch videos.
I read books.
I listen to music.
Very common English.
Repeat with us. I watch videos.
Nice.
Now you try.
What do you do in your free time? Good job. Even a short answer is perfect.
Listen again.
What do you do in your free time?
I listen to music.
Now let's talk about friends. Friends are important in life.
Listen first. Do you have friends?
Yes, I do.
I have 2 friends.
I meet my friends on Sunday.
Simple sentences.
Repeat slowly.
I have friends.
Great. Listen again.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I do. Now weekend talk.
Weekend English is very useful.
Listen first. What do you do on the weekend?
I rest at home.
I go out.
I meet my family.
Repeat with us. I rest at home.
Nice and clear.
Listen again.
What do you do on the weekend?
I rest at home. Now let's talk about travel. Very simple travel English.
Listen first. Do you like travel?
Yes, I like travel.
I travel by bus.
I travel by train.
Repeat together. I travel by bus.
Good job.
Listen again. I like travel.
Now talking about home.
Very daily life English.
Listen first. Are you at home?
Yes, I am.
I am at home now.
Repeat slowly. I am at home.
Nice.
Listen again.
Are you at home?
Yes, I am. Now phone English.
Very short and easy.
Listen first. Hello?
Hi, this is Max.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Repeat with us. Hello?
Good job. Listen again. Hi, this is Max. Now health English.
Very useful sentences.
Listen first. How are you feeling today?
I feel okay.
I feel tired.
Repeat slowly. I feel okay.
Nice.
Listen again.
How are you feeling?
I feel good.
Now sharing opinion.
Very easy opinion English. Listen first. How is the movie?
It is good.
It is boring.
Repeat together. It is good.
Perfect.
Now let's review daily routine English.
Listen first. What do you do every day?
I wake up early.
I work.
I sleep at night.
Repeat slowly. I wake up early.
Very good.
Let's talk about food you like.
Very common English.
Listen first. What food do you like?
I like rice.
I like fruit.
Short and clear.
Repeat with me. I like rice.
Good job.
Now you try.
What food do you like?
Nice. Even one word is okay. Listen again.
I like fruit.
Now dislikes. This is also important.
Listen first. What food don't you like?
I don't like spicy food.
I don't like junk food.
Repeat slowly. I don't like spicy food.
Great.
Listen again.
I don't like junk food.
Now let's talk about today.
Very daily English.
Listen first. How is your day today?
It is good.
It is busy.
It is okay.
Repeat with us. It is good.
Nice and natural. Now simple questions.
Questions help conversation.
Listen first. Do you work today?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Repeat together. Yes, I do.
Good job.
Now sleep English.
Everyone talks about sleep.
Listen first. What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
I sleep late.
Repeat slowly. I sleep at 10.
Perfect.
Now morning again.
Repetition is good.
Listen first. What time do you wake up?
I wake up early.
I wake up at 6.
Repeat with us. I wake up early.
Nice.
Now work pressure.
Simple sentences.
Listen first. Are you busy today?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm free.
Repeat slowly. I'm free.
Great sentence.
Now free time talk.
Listen first. What do you do in the evening?
I relax.
I watch TV. Repeat together.
I watch TV.
Very good. Now health and exercise.
Very simple English.
Listen first. Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
I walk every day. Repeat slowly.
I walk every day.
Nice.
Now mood English.
Listen first. How is your mood today?
I feel good.
I feel calm. Repeat together.
I feel calm.
Very nice. Now simple requests.
Very useful English.
Listen first. Can you wait?
Yes, sure.
Repeat slowly. Can you wait?
Excellent. Now polite English.
Listen first. Sorry, I'm late.
That's okay.
Repeat together.
Sorry.
Good manners. Now gratitude.
Listen first. Thank you.
You're welcome. Repeat slowly.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Let's talk about daily habits.
Things we do every day.
Listen first. What do you do every morning?
I brush my teeth.
I drink water.
Simple habits.
Repeat with me. I drink water.
Good job.
Listen again.
What do you do every morning?
I brush my teeth.
Now cleaning English.
Very common at home.
Listen first. Do you clean your room?
Yes, I do.
I clean my room.
Repeat slowly. I clean my room.
Nice.
Now cooking.
Simple food English.
Listen first. Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook sometimes.
I cook food.
Repeat together. I cook food.
Very good.
Now TV time.
Very natural English.
Listen first. What do you watch on TV?
I watch news.
I watch movies.
Repeat slowly. I watch movies.
Good job.
Now phone English.
Everyone uses a phone.
Listen first. Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I do.
I use my phone.
Repeat with us. I use my phone.
Nice and clear.
Now studying.
Very useful English.
Listen first. What do you study?
I study English.
I study every day.
Repeat slowly. I study English.
Excellent.
This one is important.
Yes, very important.
Listen first. Why do you learn English?
I want to speak English.
I want to improve.
Repeat together. I want to speak English.
That sounds great.
Now, small problems.
Real life English.
Listen first. I have a problem.
What is the problem?
I am confused.
Repeat slowly. I have a problem.
Good job.
Very useful English now.
Yes, when you don't understand.
Listen first. Can you repeat, please?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Repeat with me. Can you repeat, please?
Perfect sentence. Now talking about speed.
Helpful for learners.
Listen first. Please speak slowly.
Yes, sure.
Repeat together. Please speak slowly.
Very polite. Now confidence talk.
Very important.
Listen first. I am nervous.
It's okay.
Repeat slowly. I am nervous.
That's honest. Good. Now self-talk.
Positive English.
Listen first. I can do this.
I am learning.
Repeat together.
I can do this. Nice energy.
Now mistakes.
Very real. Listen first. I made a mistake.
That's okay.
Repeat slowly. I made a mistake.
Good learning sentence. Now asking for practice.
Very useful line.
Listen first. Can we practice English?
Yes, let's practice.
Repeat together. Let's practice English.
Love that sentence. Now motivation English.
Listen first. Keep going.
Don't stop.
Repeat slowly. Keep going.
Nice energy.
Wrap up. Wow, you did amazing today.
Yes, you practiced greetings, food, morning, work, and help.
Let's recap some key phrases.
Hi, how are you?
I wake up at.
I eat breakfast.
I like music.
Can you help me?
Remember, speak slowly.
Repeat again and again.
English is a skill. Practice makes you confident.
We are proud of you. Really.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what is your quick breakfast?
Thanks for listening.
See you next time. Keep practicing English.